Happy Friday, you guys.
Woohoo!
We are on our way to go camping this weekend. We're kind of excited. We've never been here before.
It's going to be beautiful out.
It's going to be a great weekend. We're expecting highs in the upper 60s to very low 70s. It's going to get...
What are you doing?
I was just giving them a preview of where we're going. Because it's Friday and we're headed to Mosquito Lake State Park Campground in Portland, Ohio. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's what I read.
What'd you read?
Because we've never been to this campground. I just looked up some reviews on the campground, and I found some TripAdvisor reviews.
Okay.
I've looked up TripAdvisor reviews on different places, like not just camping, but just different places. So this campground has extremely mixed reviews. Some people like it. Some people don't. I think we're going an okay time of the year because people refer to it. I mean, maybe that's why they call it Mosquito Lake, but they say the bugs are super, super bad.
No, it is. The campground, like the water right outside of the campground, is not like deep water that comes right up to the shore. It's kind of murky and algae.
Mucky water?
Yeah.
So apparently this weekend, tonight and tomorrow, is the Halloween. Cut that. Halloween bash camping weekend at Mosquito Lake. So I know a lot of the events are tonight, and a lot of the events only last until like 7 o'clock.
That's
and we're just going to be getting there at that time, so we'll miss a lot of stuff tonight. But for you guys, I know a lot of people are looking for places to go for Halloween. So their website said this fun-filled weekend includes a basket raffle, costume parade, a campsite decorating contest, games, hay rides, pumpkin carving, haunted trail, movies, a scavenger hunt, and trick-or-treating, which is for campers only.
Is this only today?
Yeah, tomorrow. Today and tomorrow. So these things are going on all weekend.
Oh, cut that.
No. We're going to Mosquito Lake. We had a mosquito on it. Oh. Not really. What is that noise?
The road. Oh. So we have, how much? We have less than a half hour and we'll be there. Pick it up when we pull in?
Yep.
Later. Well, we're all set up. A little late, almost 8 o'clock. And this is the latest we've ever really rolled into a campground.
gonna throw my regular frisbee.
We unfortunately only have 2 disc golf discs because I had about 10, and when I was starting out I lost a lot of them. And then I forgot to get more. So we're gonna have to use our ultimate frisbees and the 2 disc golf frisbees. But
I'm just using my frisbee.
Okay. Well, as soon as those guys are done, we'll tee off.
Fling it in here.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. So we gotta go around that bend.
Yeah, you need to curve to the left.
Whoa! Curve to the left.
Oh, pup. Hi, pup. See it? There. Let's see how many ricochets I can get. You ready? One. Can I come close?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sun's bright. Well, we played what? 7 holes?
Couple holes.
Yeah, we didn't have the right frisbees. So nobody comment and say, you're using the wrong frisbee.
We know.
I've played disc golf for many years. I'm just out of them.
We were just having fun.
We were just having fun. So, what are we going to do now? We went to the aviation museum, and it was literally a garage. So we didn't even go in.
We didn't go in.
We should go back to the camper and see what kind of festivities are going on.
We are. I think they're trick-or-treating today, so we bought some candy.
Yes. I saw a big SpongeBob head.
Should have bought it.
Yeah.
Anyway, we got to get some video of people's campgrounds that are...
Oh, yeah.
Really,
Let's go back and walk. Some of the campgrounds are decorated
it's
like...
amazing.
Crazy. So our first impressions of Mosquito Lake Park, pretty nice. I do not think I'd ever want to go during the summer because it's very low-lying land, swampy.
That was a swamp. So I think this time of year, if I would have to recommend this park, and I do, I think it's a nice park. Definitely fall or, you know, late
Yeah.
summer.
Also, there's 2 entrances to the park. The southern entrance,
The marina side.
the marina, and that's actually where you want to enter, because if you're filling up, if you don't have a full hookup site, you need to come in from the southern part of the park to be able to fill your fresh water tank. If you come from the northern, you have to go through the check-in, go down one of the loops, turn around, come back to be able to get into the dump station where the fresh water fill it.
You know, we know that we have to be, oh, look, produce.
Produce.
I like produce.
You're weird.
I know. But anyway, we don't get up and rush around. This morning we slept until 10. I probably could have slept till about noon. I was tired. But I made breakfast this morning. We had coffee. Worked around the camper, just putting stuff away. It doesn't take that long. I mean,
I think we were ready to go in under 40 minutes. What's this guy doing here?
I can't swallow.
Guy was texting
And
like
driving
this
all over the place.
and all over the road.
Oh, that's a little camper.
Idiots.
We just want to...
Camp.
Yep.
Bear left onto
Quick
a
in, quick
5.
out.
Onto
Quick
a
in,
5.
quick out. Where are we going next? We don't know.
We're not going anywhere next weekend. Following weekend, my sister's getting married. Our next trip will be the weekend of the 20th.
How many stars would you give Mosquito Lake?
4.
I'd say for me it's a 4. So anything else to say?
See ya.
Alright guys, make sure you keep going out there making memories. Maybe we'll see you out there one day. Have a great day.